Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and download this free app from Mad Scientist developer. Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Yes in Use App Settings pop-up. Then you can click on Set Wallpaper right away, or select this gear at the top right corner and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Then adjust all of those options however you want to, or hit Presets at the top, tap on the best one for you, and click on Yes in the Load Preset pop-up. Wherever you decided, when you're done, go back, and after tapping on Set Wallpaper, click on the best option for you, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I want to set up mine or home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!